Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel, The Technical Thakur. I am Thakur Shekhar and I am back with a new and very useful video. Sometimes in your PC when you try to open any folder, directory or any removable device, it may show an error, folder not accessible, the file or directory is corrupted and unreadable. So today in this video, I will give you its 100% working solution to fix this problem. So let's start. First of all, I will show you what's the problem in my case. So I'll go to this PC and then I have a problem in a folder of D drive. So I will go to D drive and then try to open that folder. And it shows the same error of location is not accessible for this folder. So before going to its fix, I would like to tell about this star icon on my folder. As you can see a star icon on this folder and you may think, is it a folder or any other thing? So I like to tell you that it's a folder. Just I have changed the folder icon, and if you want to do the same with your folder, then comment me down. I'll make a separate video for that. So now let's move to the solution of that problem. So first of all, you have to search in the search box CMD, and after that run it as administrator, or you can directly right click on it and run as administrator. So after the command prompt is open, you have to write the following command, which is chkdsk. That means check disk space /f space D and colon. Here D is my drive label. If you are having any problem in C or any other drive, then here in place of D you can write that alphabet. So now before fixing the problem, I like to show you that suppose if you are having a problem in a drive where all your operating system configuration files is stored. In my case, it's in C drive. As you can see that program files and all are stored in C drive. Suppose if I was having a problem in C drive and want to repair that. So let me show you. If I write in place of D, C and colon and hit enter, here it will show message check disk cannot run because the volume is in use by another process. That means now our system is running and all its processing is been done in C drive and it is currently in use. So here it will ask, would you like to schedule this volume to be checked the next time the system restart? And here two options are there. First Y, that means yes, and second N, that means no. So if you type yes and press enter, it will repair the drive next time when your system will restart. So I will now type here N and press enter. So now I have to again give that command, and I was having a problem in D drive. So I will change the alphabet to D. I will write here alphabet D and hit enter. Before hitting enter, you first assure that none of the files of D drive are running in background. Suppose if any files is running in background and you hit enter over here, then it will show a message check disk cannot run because the volume is in use by another process. Check disk may run if the volume is dismounted first. All open handle to this volume would then be invalid. That means in background my some process is running off this D drive, and here it asks would you like to force a dismount on this volume. After checking that none of my process is running in background, sorry, I was having a problem in recording with my screen recorder, so I have switched to my phone camera. So now changing this drive label to D and I will hit enter. So as you can see the process has begun. So it will take some time depending on the storage, means how many files is stored in that D drive, because it will completely scan the D drive. So I will wait for some time for the process to finish. So now it's on stage 3. So now as you can see that this process has completed, and here you can see Windows has scanned the file system and found no error. No further action is required. It's showing this because before this also I have fixed that issue. So in your case it may show that Windows has fixed the issue and no further action is required. So after fixing the issue, let me show you is it fixed or not. So again I will go to D drive, and I was having a problem in this folder, and now I will try to open that. So now as you can see that no error message is shown and this folder is open. So that was this video motive, to fix the issue. So if you found this video useful and helpful, then please subscribe my channel, like my video, and if you are having any trouble, comment down in the comment box and support my channel. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.